Hello my dear students, we are going to discuss certain topics from irrigation, water quality and wastewater management. Myself Krishnavani from the Department of Agricultural Engineering. See, we are going to discuss certain topics about field kits and everything else that have been used for the management. In the sense, we need data, isn't it? So we have to assess this water quality means we will have to need certain tools and all. So what tools are being used, that we'll be seeing in this unit. Okay, so you'll be learning about data collection platforms. So how we are going to collect the data and what are the field kits that are to be used. So field kits means actually it's very portable, you can easily lift it, and this can be easily used for collecting the data. Okay, so you have to, while you are assessing the quality and all, you will have to measure various qualities, isn't it? So for that we are going for field kits. So that is what we call it as these probes and all you will have. Okay, so this I am going to explain you how it is being to be performed. Right, so field this is field test kits and all. So these kits will be very simple and will be very effective for testing the chemical and also physical properties of the water. And if you're going to test, actually you can take this pH meter. So before I'm going into this, I'll say certain thing. At least actually we need 3 10 ml samples for each water source. It has to be collected and everything kept and all. And at least 24 hours we'll have to keep. Then only we'll have this. Okay. This nowadays we are having home water test kits also. Okay. Now we'll be including pH meter. So pH meter means it will be measuring the acidity or alkalinity of water. So this will be by determining the concentration of hydrogen, H plus and all you have to hold. So you have a probe and that will be immersed in the water sample and recordings, and it will be displayed digitally. So that we have to consider. And next is dissolved oxygen meter. So what is actually this? We know very well what we do is dissolved oxygen. Okay, so dissolved oxygen means we have to. This is very essential because this determines how we are able to graduate this, or how much you have this. Okay, so you have many, nowadays we are having many different benchtop or portable instruments, probes or anything else, sensors, so they can measure the dissolved oxygen, etc. So this is very major criteria in determining whether the water is suitable for aquatic lives. Okay, so this will be it will be determining this BOD, so which will be a measure of biodegradable material in the sample. Why you are going to this means, like conductivity and salinity, DO is also important tool for assessing the water quality based, and also we have to check how this dissolved oxygen varies with respect to depth, distance, time and also temperature. So multiple measurements we have to check. Okay, so next is called as your turbidity meter. So this also is actually turbidity meter. We know very well is a popular tool. Is actually normally this will be measured in nephrometers. So these nephrometers will be emitting the light and all. Okay, and this how it will be measuring the amount of light scattered by the particles in the sample. Okay, so this unit will be depending upon the wavelength of the light. So the unit is actually nephelometric turbidity units. It's NTU. Okay, so based on this, why we are using this is for measuring the turbidity. So we will be determining the degree to which the particles suspended in a solution decreases the intensity of light, to what extent the sunlight is able to pass through it. So everything will be determining here. And next one is conductivity meter. As I said already, the salts that have been discussed, that is being dissolved, and also the conductivity, electrical conductivity has a very proportional relationship. Okay, so conductivity meters measures the electrical conductivity, etc. So higher conductivity values indicate higher ion concentrations. So these meters are essential for assessing water salinity and nutrient levels. Next one is temperature probe. So temperature probes will be measuring the temperature of water samples. So we also will be using, you have to check first this temperature will be measured. So at different temperatures you will be measuring how is the dissolved oxygen level, what is the chemical reactions, for different temperatures you will be assessing. So this is a very important tool. Okay, next one is spectrophotometer or colorimeter. Okay, two we will be seeing what is the concentration of specific chemical constituents. For example, nitrogen, phosphorus. When you take it as vitrification and everything else, this is very, very essential. But to what extent? See, the enriching nutrients is also a problem. So that you have to see. To test chips or reagent kits. So this provide rapid qualitative or semi-qualitative measures of specific water parameters like pH or chlorine or nitrate or phosphate, etc. So this also you have to consider. Okay. Next one is the GPS. You know very well. The global positioning system may be included in certain water quality field kits. So this will be helpful recording the geographical coordinates of sampling locations, okay, spatial mapping and everything else. The last one we can take it as a field notebook. So whatever data you have, you have to record it, and data sheets are being also essential. So this is a convenient and efficient method to collect real-time data in diverse environmental settings or water bodies. It can be done in various seasons and everything else. Okay, this is essential in assessing the water quality parameters. Thank you.